Today finds us mid-morning zipping across the Canterbury plains. We are heading towards Arthur's Pass village in the South Island, where I hope to show Marady KEA, which are the world's only Alpine Parrot. These lovely birds are only found in New Zealand. They are fully protected, are probably a threatened species, and are extremely intelligent. After being stuck behind a milk tanker climbing Porter's Pass, we decided to stop at Lake Lyndon to stretch our legs and for a toilet stop. Arthur's Pass is ranked as one of New Zealand's most dangerous roads, but you might be surprised to hear that it isn't that bad. The road gets icy and heavy snow can fall here seemingly without warning during winter. It is narrow and windy in places, and speed limits really do need to be adhered to on Arthur's Pass. Ice chains are compulsory during winter when Arthur's Pass road conditions are at their worst. You may be stopped and asked to prove that you are carrying chains and know how to fit them. This is a common rule for all of New Zealand's mountain roads. If you are not used to driving on the left side of the road, the Arthur's Pass drive is not the place to practice. Stay alert, and if you feel tired, stop. That being said, the landscape is beautiful to travel through. Snow-covered mountains and large riverbeds are everywhere, as are the sheep farms. There is actually a lot to do in the pass, but time is not on our side today, and we will be back at a later date.
Oh, you welcome me. Hi. Hello. What are you doing? Hi. Hello.
Hey guys!
What you doing? Hello. You need something for food, yeah? Oh, you hear food, you know that, right? my god. It's me. You wanna... Hello. Hello, guys.
That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share, and join us next time.